Okay, good morning students, all secondary students. Okay, students, in start from the starting a small problem, video problem, some board clarity problem, some problems are there. Today onwards there is no problem. Okay, all are clear. So the fifth chapter, continuity and differentiability. Continuity and differentiability. First of all, let us discuss continuity. Okay, let us discuss the continuity. In first class already discussed. Okay, continuity. What is continuity? A function f of x is said to be continuous function at x is equal to a if satisfy the given conditions. First condition, limit x tends to a f of x exist. Second one, f of a exist and limit x tends to a f of x is equal to f of a. These three conditions are satisfied, the given function is continuous function, otherwise discontinuous function. This one finally. Some limit formulas already Snap is send formulas. First is limits formulas already send in our WhatsApp formulas. First year formulas, limit x tends to a x power n minus a power n by x minus a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. So 10 formulas, the fundamental limits formulas. Okay, all are perfect. The limit formulas, the continuity chapter is very easy. Continuation, limits की continuation, continuity. One of the definition, continue definition, limit x tends to f of x exist. Exist means what? That function, that limit have any value, any undefined value, not a limit 1 by limit 2, limit power 0 power 0. This type of values are integral symbols. There is no value. Okay, so exist means what? That limit has any value, result any value. Okay, a negative or positive any, but defined number. Okay, so next one, limit, left hand limit to right hand limit, already discussed in first year. Left hand limit to right hand limit to. Left hand limit means what? Limit x tends to a minus. X tends to a means what? A is x value. A, x tends to a. LHL means a minus. Below a. A minus means below a. RHL means limit x tends to a plus. A plus means above a. Above a. There is no large difference between a minus and a plus. Very small difference. A minus, a plus, very small difference. For example, 0.9999. 0.99 is near to 1. 0.99 is near to 1. Maximum near to 1. And 1.0001 is equivalent to 1, is equivalent to 1. So there is no difference between 0.999 and 1.001. Both are same, but difference below the minus plus difference, small difference. But substitution x tends to a minus or x tends to a plus, so in the function x values are both are same. A minus means a plus also a, no difference. Okay, so already continuity first class definition, definition, all are formulas, all are completed. Our formulas also send in our WhatsApp. Okay, all are perfect. We have to perfect formulas. Next to second class, there is no sound, mute class. Okay, so explain once again. For second class exercise, directed definition, algebraic of functions, continuous functions, algebraic of continuous functions. What is the algebraic continuous function? Means f, g, f is a function, g is a function. F and g are both are continuous functions. Both are continuous real functions or continuous functions. Then f plus g also continuous function. F minus g, f minus g means what? F of x minus g of x. F plus g means f of x plus g of x. F into g continuous at x is equal to a or x is equal to c or anyone. F by g is also continuous function. What is the meaning of two functions? Any two functions, that function f and g, two functions are continuous functions means that two functions sum continuous, subtraction difference is continuous, multiple of the two functions continuous, division of f by g, okay, division of two functions is also continuous. This is fixed. Okay, but sin x is continuous function, cos x continuous function, sin x plus cos x continuous function, sin x minus cos x continuous function. Okay, sin x by cos x continuous, sin x into cos x continuous. This is some results. Next exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1. What is the exercise 5.1? The first one. Listen carefully. Look at this. What is the first one? Prove that the function f of x is equal to prove that the function f of x is equal to 5x minus 3. Prove that the function f of x is equal to 5x minus 3 is continuous at x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 5. Okay, this one, x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 5. Okay, function, the given function at x is equal to 0, continuous or not, x is equal to minus 3, continuous or not. This is first one. The first one is, what is the first one? First one, at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0. What is the definition of continuity? Continuity definition: limit x tends to a, f of x exists. Limit x tends to a, f of x exists means that limit have any value, 5, 6, 10 or any value, define value. So limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to limit x tends to a means what? 0, 0, f of x. F of x is 5x minus 3. F of x is 5x minus 3. Substitute x is equal to 0 in the given function. 5 into 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 is the defined value. So exist. Which one is exist? Limit x tends to a, f of x exist. And the first one satisfied. The second one, f of a exists. F of a means f of 0. F of a is equal to f of 0 in the function x is equal to 0. 5 into 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. F of a is also exist. Both are exist is not important. Both are exist and the third one is equal. Exist and equal. Both are equal or not? Equal. So third one. Therefore limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. So therefore or hence f is continuous, f is continuous at x is equal to 0. This is the continuity definition and the related problem. Okay, are you clear? This one, first point, limit exchange f of x, we have to check. Next, f of a. Next, both are equal or not. Both are is not equal means discontinuous, continuous, discontinuous. Equal means continuous, not equal means discontinuous. Okay, this is single term. That's first. And next, x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 5. You have to try. Okay. Same as it is, x is equal to 0, badulu x is equal to minus 3. Substitute x is equal to minus 3. At the same time, x is equal to 5, same as it is. Okay, next one. The first problem is complete. Second problem. Examine the continuity of the function. Examine the continuity of function. Examine the continuity of the function. F of x is equal to 2x square minus 1 at x is equal to f of x is equal to 2x square minus 1 at x is equal to 3. What is the difference between first problem and second problem? The first problem is prove that, must be proved. Okay, must we have to prove continuous. This one, second one is examine. Examine means continuous or discontinuous, any one. Okay, check out, look at this. Next, first one, at x is equal to 3. So, first one, limit x tends to a f of x. Limit x tends to a means 3. Limit x tends to a means 3. X tends to 3, 2x square minus 1. 2 into x square, x means 3, 3 square minus 1. That is equal to 2 into 9 minus 1 is equal to 17. 18 minus 1 is equal to 17. Exist or not? Exist. Exchange the first one, exist. Next, second one. Next, second one. F of a. F of a means f of 3. 2x square minus 1. 2 into 9 minus 1 is equal to 17. This is also exist. Okay, so 1 and 2 are equal, therefore limit x tends to 3, f of x is equal to f of 3, hence f is continuous. F is continuous at x is equal to 3. This is second problem. Prove that, show that, examine, check whether. This is the difference. Okay, next. Next, third problem. Okay, next. Examine following functions. Examine following functions for continuity. Following functions for continuity. Following functions no is continuity and continuous or not. Examine. Okay. First problem. 1 by f of x is equal to x minus 5. F of x is equal to x minus 5. There is no at x is equal to value. At x is equal to 1, x is equal to, and there is no x value. Okay. There is no x value means you have to take any value. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, the type of values all are not same, different values, different values, but all are will take same value. Same value means a, b, c or any value. Okay, so limit x tends to a f of x, limit x tends to a x minus 5. X means what? A minus 5. F of a is equal to a minus 5. Therefore, limit x tends to a f of x is equal to f of a. Is defined values. A is any value, any real number. Real number is a defined numbers. Yeah, both are same. So therefore, f is continuous. F is continuous at x is equal to a or at any real number. At x is equal to a or real number. At x belongs to R. X is equal to a or x belongs to R. Any number you take any number. You must be continuous because same, the function is same, both are same, any function. Okay. So third one no. The remaining problems homework. Next. Next one. Find all points of discontinuity. Find all points of discontinuity. All points of discontinuity. Find all points of discontinuity. The following functions, so many functions, 6, 7 or any something, the given functions are, we have to check discontinuity. All points of discontinuity, and that problem has which value? The problem has discontinuous at which values? Okay, the function or the given function is discontinuous at x is equal to a, 1 or 2 or 3 or any points. Okay, that's one. The first one, sixth problem. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3 if x less than or equal to 2, if x greater than 2. Function. This function discontinuity at which point? Only you have to calculate discontinued points because they are asking. Okay, but discontinued point which points? X is equal to a, at x is equal to a, 1 or 2 or 3 or any number, this number. Look at this function, observe this one, 2. Only we have to check 2 at 2. We have to check at 2. In first, second, third problems, the given function only single function. But here on the up to from the sixth problem, the given two functions. But two functions. How to select this first function or second function? Which function we have to select? Don't know. But by using left hand limit, right hand limit process, left hand limit process or right hand limit process. First, left hand limit. LHL is equal to limit x tends to a minus f of x. LHL means minus a f of x. So that is equal to a minus mid. Here what is a? A is 2. A is 2. X tends to 2 minus f of x. 2 minus means 2 minus f of x. 2 minus means less than 2, because 2 minus means less than 2, minus means less than 2, plus means greater than 2. Less than 2. Less than 2 which function? X less than or equal to means what? Less than 2 or equal to 2 also. So less than 2 which function? 2x plus 3. So limit x tends to 2x plus 3. So 2 into 2 plus 3, that is equal to 7. Next, RHL. RHL is equal to limit x tends to a plus f of x. A plus f of x. A plus means limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. 2 plus means greater than 2. 2 plus means greater than 2 which function? 2x minus 3. So that is equal to limit x tends to 2x minus 3. That is equal to 2 into 2 minus 3 equal to 1. 2 into 2 minus 3 equal to 1. So LHL is equal to RHL? Not equal. Okay. LHL is not equal to RHL. So F is discontinuous. LHL is not equal to F is discontinuous at x is equal to 2. Discontinuous at x is equal to 2. This one. Okay. Look at this. Next, f of x is equal to mod x plus 3 minus 2x 6x plus 2 if x less than or equal to minus 3 less than x less than 3, x greater than or equal to 3. These three functions are there. This is also find out discontinuous points, discontinuity points. So how many points are there in the given problem? In the given problem, how many points are there? How many points are there? -3 and 3. We have to check the given function is continuous or discontinuous only at the point -3 and 3. Enough. So first of all, x is equal to -3. What is the mod x definition? You know mod x definition? Modulus function definition. Modulus function. Mod x is equal to x if x greater than 0, positive. Mod x is equal to -x if x less than 0, negative. Mod x is equal to 0 if x is equal to 0. This is the very important definition. Already in first year, graph is also there. Graph, modulus function, step-x function, signum function. Okay, mod. So, అంటే నెగిటివ్ మీన్స్ లెస్ దాన్ 0. లెస్ దాన్ 0 మీన్స్ నెగిటివ్ వాల్యూస్ 0. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ నేను -3 at x is equal to -3. LHL is equal to limit x tends to -3 minus f of x. Point -3. E minus. Why this minus? Left hand limit minus. Okay. So -3 minus means x less than -3. X less than -3. X less than -3. Which function? The first function. X less than or equal to -3. So mod x plus 3. -3 less than -3. Less than -3 means negative values or positive values? Less than -3. -3 below values. -3 below values means -3, -4, -5, -6. These all values are less than -3 values. Less than -3 means negative values. Negative values means mod x is what? Mod x is -x plus 3. Limit x tends to -3 minus x plus 3. Minus of -3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, are you clear? This one is the one hard one. This one hard one. Mod x -3. Already points are given. Given points, how many points? -3, 3. First of all, you have to find -3. -3 minus means less than -3. Less than -3 means all negative values. In negative values, mod x is what? -6. What is the x value finally? -3. Minus of -3 plus. Next, RHL. Limit x tends to -3 plus. -3 plus means x greater than -3. X greater than -3 means not all negative values. Positive values also there. Okay. So x greater than -3. -3 less than x means x greater than -3. Which function? -2x. So -2 into -3 is equal to 6. Next, f of -3. Exactly -3. Exactly -3 which function? This one, first function. F of -3 is equal to mod of -3 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So both are same. Limit x tends to LHL equal to RHL equal to f of -3. So this function is continuous function or discontinuous function? Continuous function. So okay, continuous function. What is the problem? What asked? Discontinuous function. So f is continuous. Continuous is not important, discontinuous is important. So second, at x is equal to 3. At x is equal to 3. So LHL is equal to limit x tends to 3 minus. 3 minus means less than 3. 3 minus means less than 3. Less than 3 means x less than 3. Which function? -2x. minus 2x. Minus 2 into 3 is equal to minus 6. Minus 2 into 3 equal to minus 6. So RHL. RHL is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus. 3 plus means greater than 3. Greater than 3, on which point of 6x plus 2. 6x plus 2. 6 into 3 plus 2 is equal to 20. So therefore LHL is not equal to RHL. So F is discontinuous. F is discontinuous at x is equal to 3. This is the final one. The given problem, discontinuous points, how many discontinuous points? Only one point. 3 is the discontinuity of given function. 3 is the discontinuity of given function. Okay. So tomorrow I will continue the next class.